Today we're going to make gyoza, Japanese dumplings.
The ingredients we need are gyoza wrapper, ground pork, cabbage, and green onion, Chinese chives, ginger, and garlic. Let's get started.
First, finely chop the cabbage. This time, I cut too much, so about 1/4 of a whole cabbage should be enough. Wash it thoroughly with water. Place it in a bowl. Add salt. Rub it with your hands. This process softens the cabbage and allow it to absorb flavor better. Let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes. Cut off the root of the green onion. Finely chop it. Prepare the Chinese chives. Just like the other vegetables, finely chop them. Chinese chives are an aromatic vegetable widely used in Japan and East Asia. They have a distinct garlic-like flavor and aroma. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Peel the garlic as well and grate it. Prepare the filling for the dumplings. In a bowl, combine the grated ginger and garlic. Finely chop cabbage, green onion, Chinese chives, along with ground pork. Add sake, soy sauce, sesame oil, mirin, sugar, black pepper, and miso. Mix well. Be sure to mix thoroughly until the ground pork becomes sticky. Prepare a small dish of water. Place in dumpling wrapper in the palm of your hand and add some filling. Apply water around the edge of the wrapper. Dumpling wrappers are coated with potato starch, so adding water helps seal them. Hold the wrapper while creating pleats to close it. Finally, firmly press along the pleat to seal it completely. When I make dumplings, I usually make about 100 at once and freeze them. Heat oil in a frying pan. Place the dumplings in a pan, leaving some space between them so they don't stick together. Once they develop a slight golden brown color, add water. Cover with a lid and steam. When the water has mostly evaporated, remove the lid. Increase the heat and cook until the surface becomes crispy. Once they have a nicely browned crust, they are done. To serve, place a plate over the frying pan, then flip it over for a perfect presentation.
餃子 is done! 人参しりしり We need carrot and eggs.
Peel the carrot, cut into thin strips. This time I'm using a julienne slicer, but a knife works just fine. Crack eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs. Heat a frying pan. Add sesame oil. Once the sesame oil is hot, add the carrots. There. Add salt, pepper, soy sauce, and Chinese soup stock. Stir fry. Pour in the beaten eggs while stirring until the egg becomes fluffy. Serve on plate. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds and it's done.
It is ready. Let's make simple side salad with cucumber and tuna.
Cut off the ends of the cucumber. Slice it into thin rounds. Place them in a bowl. Add salt and rub them with your hands. Let them sit at room temperature for 15 minutes. Drain the canned tuna and place it in the bowl. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, and mirin. Mix well. Serve on a plate and it's done.
Salad is ready. いただきます。餃子 first. Super good. I like to use vinegar and black pepper. Oh my goodness. Ponzu as well.